Welcome to the investment markets overview for the week ending the 12th of August 2022. The U.S. Senate passed the Inflation Reduction Act this week. Although there was very little within it that will actually reduce U.S. inflation. That's happening all by itself, as it lags by a few months the antics of the Federal Reserve Bank. As can be noted here by the correlation between the Fed QE activities and U.S. consumer price inflation. There is a lag between the Fed inflating or deflating and the CPI index, with little doubt that it's the central bank here and elsewhere who are the main culprits for the inflation spike. Meanwhile, the $437 billion Inflation Reduction Act will see $300 billion of it spent on climate change initiatives. With a further $80 billion allocated to the Inland Revenue Service, to beef up its audits division via an army of new recruits. You can bet that their focus will not be the international mega-cap companies who arbitrage their tax affairs globally. It will be small businesses, who collectively employ 60% of the U.S. workforce, who will be smothered with increased red tape. The overview includes the performance statistics for the main stock indices. This week they were mixed. Whilst the sovereign bond yields and the commodities covered were higher across the board. As were the cryptocurrencies, led by Chainlink's 18% rise. Meanwhile, the regional coverage includes household debt inflation setting a new record high. Plus further evidence of the euro area gloom. Whilst out east, there is an interesting take on China and Russian inflation. America is one of the world's most indebted society, leading an indebted world towards an ever-increasing tax grab. The beefed-up IRS, mentioned above, is obviously expecting their task to be more dangerous, judged by this job advert. Bureaucracy, or red tape, is set to soar for corporate America and to anyone with the means to contribute more to the government coffers. The land of the free is going the way of all empires before it. A final performance table for the major stock indices since the year 2000 concludes the investment markets overview. A one-month trial of this 40 times per year publication is available for less than $15, a whopping 70% discount. It's an ideal opportunity to grab the bargain for 4 publications. We strive to turn the technical into plain-speaking observations, backed up by factual charts and context. Join us for a guide through the maze of economic and market data via the weekly 5-page overview. Just follow the links provided, and if you're watching this on YouTube, then kindly give it a like as it helps our channel.